4 of them I did at school because she did them on the board. So I know I did the corrections on those 2 right. They're running.
Oh, yeah. Is the most troublemaker. Here she is.
Behind you.
Oh, yes.
She was running.
She
ran behind you.
You're biting your own foot, baby.
Okay, Mom. In a minute, I'm going to go take my shower. And then I'm going to read How to Do the Basketballers and stay for my math test.
Alright.
But I'm going to do that in a couple minutes because I want to say hi to the babies.
Oh, it's getting kind of late.
I know. Good baby. Good baby.
You're lying to that baby and telling her how good she is. That's the baby that was trying to eat my pants.
Arg, she's a good baby.
She also tried to take my phone.
She's a good baby. Oh, he tried to take the phone.
Look, licking the phone is not a good plan.
He tried to eat the phone.
Oh, well, no surprise. Oops, here comes the blue one.
He jumped out of your lap. He's like, yeah! Hi, baby. Oh,
here she
you
comes.
tried to eat Mommy's phone, didn't you? You tried to eat her phone. You're steady. Steady.
Alright, let's put them back in for a nap. I hear barking dogs.
Okay. Hi, baby.
I think it must be time to come in. It's chilly out. No one wants to stay outside. They all want to come in and lay on the couch.